doing y'all like a tool delivery service? Like pull up and deliver tools?
So I own the stuff, I own the tools. That's my
Okay, that's pretty cool.
I verify them myself, and I have my all the time.
Okay, that's cool. While we just walk around recording, just, experience and shit, asking people different questions, and, you just want some Starburst?
All right, what do you got there?
You want some Starburst, man? Man, all right. All you fellas know we do? Apparently he owns that truck. He's like a weed man except with tools. He drives that truck around. Like, hey my nigga, I got these tools for the sale. What you need? Allen wrenches? Got them. Sockets? Got them. Motherfucking Phillips? Nigga, in stock. You know what I'm saying? That type of guy. So that's pretty cool. Entrepreneurial spirits. You know.
I'm going through the big ding dong.
Hoping it was a female gonna ask they had any tube steak. Nah, I got a lot of it more, you know what I mean? About a pound, yeah. Oh, I mean tubes, I meant Vienna sausage, sorry. That would have been too bad, what I was just thinking about doing. Just popping up on that cup, those two guys sitting right there. Because at first, I didn't think it was a date. I just thought it was two guys having a glass of wine together in the middle of the day. And then I thought to myself, what straight guys do that? Long story short, I was just about to ask him how long have they known each other. Who's pitching, who's catching.
So all the stuff that still isn't like.
Then I realized I might get a serious answer that I'm not ready for. So we're just gonna move on past that. My worst fear in life is getting butt raped. So over the years, I've developed a step-by-step plan to save my anus.